I'm gonna show you how to paint this like an impressionist in oil.
Definitely, I want a little bit more blue back. One of the great things about oil painting, the oil paint doesn't change the color much. I'm gonna put more white color inside over here because I really want.
If you also like oil and opaque medium, now you can head over to our new channel, Enjoying Art Magic. Go over there to watch the full oil painting lesson. And every week, I will add 2 new oil painting lessons. Please subscribe and turn on notification. When the future video publish, you will be the first one to know. Thank you for your support.
I think we need a little bit more white color in the water over here. So I'm going to start from the sun over here. Now I'm going to come into the water again, directly coming down. There you go. See how sharp this shape can be, and we force it some light. You see the accents of the movement. And over here, I'm gonna make that a little bit softer. And the bottom over here, I'm gonna add a little yellow. Make it a little bit softer here too. Here you go. Now I'm gonna have this a little bit softer. And on this side, I'm gonna move the color a little bit and let them merge into the sky. And on the top over here, I'm going to spread this color and now try to merge them together. And at the top over there is something very interesting. Can you see something really interesting like that in the sky? So actually to see those patterns like this, just tap on it. And also has a little a group of light coming into here. And that's how this painting gradually coming together.